What's up, cool kids? FD White. So we've all been wrong. We've all been wrong, man. And you're not gonna hear too many KOLs, key opinion leaders, or influencers or content creators who make content about investing, who make content about crypto, things like that. You're not gonna hear too many of us say that. I have been wrong. I was wrong about October. We'll say that. I was wrong. I thought October was going to be a super bullish month going into November. We started off the month very bullish, and then we rolled over, obviously. So I was wrong about that. But one thing that I have adjusted to this whole cycle, if you've been following me, you can attest to this. This whole cycle, I have been very fluid, very maneuverable as to the market conditions. If the market conditions change, if something changes in the world, if something changes in the economy, when something changes in the space, we have changed with it. The cool kids have changed and adjusted with the times of the market, with the times of the crypto market. So with that being said, nobody is going to get everything 100% right. Nobody's going to get everything 100% right. The current climate that we're in for crypto and investing as a whole is you have to be very fluid. You have to be very, like I said, maneuverable in these markets. You have to find where the best risk to reward is. You have to find where the best opportunity is. Not saying you have to be a day trader, not saying you have to be a trader at all, but you have to align yourself, especially in crypto, with the best possible opportunities. And it's been very quick and very slim in this space over the past, we'll say, in 2025. We can pretty much say all of 2025, especially after going down after that tariff crash in April. So going forward, are we in a bear market? I don't know. I'm not claiming we are. I'm not claiming we're not. I did say we haven't breached that upper sloping trend line that we've been holding ever since October of 2023. But a lot of things are pointing towards possibly a longer period of us continuing to go sideways and possibly going down. We have to reclaim some key levels above us. 107, 110, ultimately that $116,000 level. We start reclaiming that, which is a high hope right now. Then, you know, all bets are back on for the bull market. But right now, what I'm doing is, like I said, I'm staying very fluid in the markets. As the market condition changes, I'm going to continue to change with it. I'm going to continue to bring you, what I see from my point of view. We have been wrong. We were wrong, but we haven't been wrong that much. I will say that we haven't been wrong that much. And that just goes, if you want to come over to the Telegram, the free Telegram, I'm not trying to shill you nothing. The free Telegram, come over there. Cool Kids Alpha Club will be in the pinned comments. But for the most part, what we're doing right now, we're kind of waiting, sitting on our hands. This has been a trader's market, not really a scalper, but mostly like a day trader's market. You probably can hold your positions maybe a couple days and then get out. But we've been very cautious with some of our calls, very cautious of our take profits over in the community. And we've been calling it. We haven't been trading every call, which I hate. I hate that I call these things and then they end up, making 10, 20, 15% profit. And then I just called it and didn't actually get into the trade, but we still been calling it. So if some people in the community or some people who watch the videos have gotten to the trade, congratulations. We'll continue to do that. Doesn't matter if Bitcoin goes to 50,000 or 500,000. We will be here. The Cool Kids Alpha Club, FD White. We're not going anywhere. Actually about to go into the gym, and then I'm going to drop my kid off at school, and then I'm going to get back to the charts today. We're on it. So like I said, everybody gets stuff wrong. If your favorite person that you watch is just so hell-bent on one direction, think about who you're following. Think about if that's the person that you want to continue to guide you in this market. We're only human. A lot of people make their success off of content. Us over here, we're making it out of the market. We've been trying to preach that, making it out of the market, not extracting, but we're giving back to the space. Hopefully you can find some value in, some of my content. But like I said, this market has changed. We all wanted TradFi to come in. TradFi is here. A lot of manipulation on, some of these centralized exchanges. It's a different market. It's a different climate. It was once the wild, wild west. Now I don't even know what to call it. It's like a zombie apocalypse right now. You know what I mean? It's just everything looks clear, and then you turn a corner and it's just a bunch of zombies coming around. If you can kind of see where I'm going, like things may seem okay and then boom, it's just something happens and then we crash again, or something happens in the space. It's wild times. It's wild times. So just stay patient, stay solvent, but stay here. I'm telling you, stay in the space. I've been here before. The market has changed, but I do think the market will present key opportunities for you to commit to and for you to make money in crypto. You just have to, we got to do a little bit more digging, a little bit more due diligence, a little bit more research, like I always say. And I think we'll be fine. Follow me. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. So like I said, like, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Stay solvent, have fun, touch some grass. You know, if the crypto market is kind of messing with your mental, take a couple weeks off, but you know, continue to make sure we're staying below some key levels, because if we start to break above key levels, it's time to get back in. But as we're below, you know, like I said, 110, 116, there's really no need to, you know, be all embedded every day, all day, unless you're trading. So this is just my perspective, my thoughts, not financial advice. Have a good day. We'll be back to the charts in a couple hours. I'll talk to you in a minute. Peace.